The mojito is a classic Cuban cocktail, perfect for warm weather with its refreshing blend of mint, lime, and rum. You will need the following ingredients: 10 fresh mint leaves, approximately 1/2 lime, cut into 4 wedges, 2 tablespoons white sugar, or to taste 1 cup ice cubes, 1½ fluid ounces white rum, 1/2 cup club soda. For equipment you will need muddler, highball glass, stirring spoon. Here are the instructions. Place mint leaves and 1 lime wedge into a sturdy glass. Use a muddler to crush the mint and lime to release the mint oils and lime juice. Add 2 more lime wedges and the sugar, and muddle again to release the lime juice. Do not strain the mixture. Fill the glass almost to the top with ice. Pour the rum over the ice and fill the glass with club soda. Stir, taste, and add more sugar if desired. Garnish with the remaining lime wedge and a sprig of mint. The origin of the mojito is often attributed to Sir Francis Drake's invasion of Havana in the 1500s, though the modern cocktail we know today was refined in the early 20th century.